Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I have a power hour speed cleaning video for you. We are deep cleaning and power houring through the bedrooms. We're going to take 1 hour, set it on our timer, and see how much we can get done on our list in a very quick time. I started doing this, it never really had a name. When my children were little, when they were napping, they would nap from anywhere from 1 to 2 hours, and in that time I would have a list of everything I needed to get done, and I try to power through it as much as possible to see how much I can get done on a daily basis when they were napping. So we are upstairs of my home and we are in the bedroom. So let's see what this list looks like. Okay, so for my speed cleaning list of the bedrooms, we are going to go ahead and clean the fans and light fixtures. The fans I don't always do necessarily every week, but they do need to be cleaned this week. So we're gonna try to give those a quick dusting and cleaning. And the light fixtures, I just cleaned those, but I'm gonna clean them again just because the flu and viruses have been going around. We're going to clean the knobs, switches, and remotes. I usually try to hit those about once a week. Sometimes I don't. If I don't get to them, it's about every 2 weeks. But like I said, the flu and viruses have been going around, so we're going to give those a little wipe down. We're going to dust the baseboards and doors. We are going to dust the dressers and nightstands and any other hard surfaces that are in each room. We're going to make or wash any of the bedding that needs to be washed. All of my bedding has been washed, so we're just gonna basically make the beds and freshen them up with the linen spray. And last but not least is vacuum and make sure we clean under the beds. Both of my kids have loft beds, so we'll kind of just straighten up there, and my bed is not a loft, so we'll kind of give that a good cleaning under there as well. So I'm gonna set the timer, and I like to work from the top all the way down. So we're gonna start with the ceiling fans. Alexa, set the timer for 1 hour.
1 hour, starting now.
this speed cleaning video of the bedrooms. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If there's an area of my home that you'd like to see me clean, let me know in the comments below and I'll make sure I put that on my to-do list. And remember, if you don't want to miss any videos from me, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys real soon.